New technologies have allowed your tribe to grow, but have also brought conflict. The spread of the Sahara's sands has forced neighboring tribes to migrate into your lands to seize control of your foraging sites and defensive positions. Raiding parties from Upper Egypt have come down the river. Intercept and destroy these invaders before they infiltrate your villages and steal your food supplies.
Erectus.
Ide.
Erectus.
Ide.
Raribus.
One.
Somus.
Somus.
One. Raribus.
Somus.
Erectus.
One.
Somus.
Ide.
Somus. Erectus.
Evil God.
Raribus. Somus.
One.
Evil God. Erectus.
One.
Raribus.
Ide.
One. Erectus.
One.
Evil God.
Ide. One.
Raribus.
One.
Evil God. Somus.
Ide. Somus.
Raribus.
One.
Erectus. Evil God.
Ide.
Erectus. Somus.
One.
Evil
Ide.
God. Erectus.
Somus.
Erectus.
One.
Erectus.
One.
Evil God. Evil God. Evil God.
Ide.
Evil God. Erectus. Evil God. Somus. Erectus. Somus.
One.
Erectus. Evil God.
Your people have repelled the raiders and are safe for now. Your successes and the threats of powerful neighbors have encouraged smaller nearby tribes to join you for safety. They offer food and their